Hello kiddies, today we're off to Wales to go on some aqueduct. Before we do that, we're going to have a quick look around this old town that has a great river that goes through it and also has a fabulous train station that was probably important back in the day, but now it just runs scenic trains. Hope you enjoy. So once we'd strolled around, after we went on this massive aqueduct, which of course is the highest in England, and it's part of the whole thing is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with 11 miles of the canal from the Horseshoe Falls, and it's meant to be spectacular. It's called this aqueduct. Needless to say, I can't pronounce that. The whole canal is 1 miles long and takes 3 days to cruise it. I first saw it on Cara and Nate, but of course, we had to walk over it first. And let me tell you, it's a long way down. I'm not looking forward to going on the boat when you've only got that little bit of metal on the other side. So it was built by Thomas Telford and opened in 1805. So it's been there for like 200 something years and we're going over it. And it's mainly made from the local stone and cast iron that supplied the 19 arches that are in it. So you can go along and you can walk along it easily. But you might need nerves of steel if you're going to have to look down over the fence. And especially if you do it when you're on the canal boat. But it's an interesting day out, and look at the cracking weather that we've got. And of course, some people live on these boats, and if there's going to be a cat or a dog or something around that needs patting, I'm going to find it. Look at this little beauty that came for a cuddle. So here we go on a little canal boat ride, and of course I've sped it up for you because otherwise it's not that good, is it? Because it takes just too long to go all the way across. But to go across, she tells you some information, and soon I'll get out the back and we'll go down and I'll show you how steep it is and how narrow it is. And imagine if you're standing on one at the back of those bargee, canoe, whatever they're called things, or by yourself, and you could easily just fall off. Like, look at the little bit of metal between you and way down there. Like, no thanks. I'm quite happy to go on a guided one with this person. She takes you up, does you a spin around and takes you back again, and that was just enough for all of us. Besides, who's got the money to hire a boat for 3 or 4 days? Well, maybe one day I will, and we'll just have to come along again. So when you come across the canal going the other way, you have to do this sharp right-hand turn, or left-hand turn, but apparently that's quite hard in a big long thingamy-bob, which it would be because they're about 33 feet or something. This bloke here did it in one thing when we're all watching and recording. Couldn't believe it. He got a big clap from all of us, but of course then he bumped into the wall as he went further on. All right, thanks for watching. I know I'm getting better at editing because it's getting easier, but I'm not so good at the voiceovers. But soon I start talking to the camera, so I must be getting brave. Hope you all have a great day.